listen, diddle back, 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 diddle back, listen, diddle back, 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 diddle back, listen, diddle back, 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 diddle back, listen, diddle back, 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 diddle back.
So we left our home away from home. So now we're gonna go stuff our face.
Chick-fil-A. That was perfect.
All right, I'll see y'all.
That rhymed.
This is one part that I don't like about Chick-fil-A, but wifey over there does.
I don't like the line. I just like the food.
Oh boy, y'all take a look. Look at this line.
You done with that chicken though?
Whatever. That's crazy.
I have a question. My question is it the chicken that you go for Chick-fil-A, or is it the French fries? Put down in the comments down below which one you like the best. Is it the French fries or the chicken? Yeah.
French fries.
Somebody already said something. French fries. That's what Genesis said, right?
Which fries is
Let them
better?
see Genesis.
I don't know. What you say?
French fries is better.
What about you, Dodor? French fries or chicken? Chicken, yeah. Some expensive behind chicken, that is.
Really?
But the chicken, I go for the
Better.
chicken.
Chicken's,
Their fries are good too.
chicken's not better.
But I don't know if y'all know about, what's that place called? Rallies? Arby's? Rallies?
No,
With the
Rallies
seasoned
is
fries?
Checkers.
Yeah, Checkers.
French fries.
Checkers got some good French fries, but I can't eat them because it's very greasy food. Very greasy.
Chicken.
It sucks because I like Checkers.
Better.
Yeah. Checkers are pretty good.
So sad. When you have your gallbladder taken out, you can't eat everything.
One dollar.
But I'm the one that eats everything.
But you haven't had Checkers in so long.
That's that.
That's true.
I think you stopped eating it when I stopped eating it.
Yeah. I don't want to make you feel bad.
So you eat that when you at work. See what I deal with? It's okay, I'll deal with it forever.
I don't want to eat it from
Ever,
you.
ever. Check out these cinnamon rolls, you guys, that we got from IKEA. They smell so good. So good. Y'all know I gotta show y'all my snack. I'm not gonna eat this whole box though. I'm getting only one. What? I saw that. It's for the kids. And me. You know, they used to sell the container of cinnamon rolls that I had on my one video I showed you guys I went to IKEA. I'm gonna see if I can figure out which video that was so I can link it up in the card. But they don't do those packs no more. It's rare that they do that. If they do them, it's like only a little amount. And I asked the lady, you guys stop doing the individual little carton that you guys sell on the outside? And she was like, yeah. So I'm so sad. Because Genesis and Midori always ask for that pack when we go to IKEA. Mommy, can we get cinnamon rolls? Like, yeah, when we get down to the register, because that's where they be at. Memories.
Goofball. She was zoned out.
For real. I'm yawning. I'm tired.
You're always tired. That's not you. That's the story of your life.
Story of the overnight worker. Always tired. They better hurry up. We gotta go get the kids. Right. Let's
Oh yeah,
go.
we gotta get. No, we gotta get. Because Romeo, I think he's staying after school.
Yeah. So this is 2:32, you guys, and we got to be at the kids' school at 3 o'clock, and we are a distance away. A distance away. Is this what I'm start with this week? You know, I'm about to jump in his back seat and get him.
All right, we'll show you the food.
And chip away.
Thank you.
Alright guys, we got our food. This is what hubby got. He got the large fry with the deluxe sandwich, no pickles. That looks so good. And then I got a large lemonade, and hubby got a large Coke.
I really want to Pepsi.
Sorry, my fingers are in the way. Alright guys, so I got the large fry as well. And then my sandwich is here. And I got the Chick-fil-A sandwich, no pickles. Sorry guys about the filming because hubby's driving right now. That's why he can't do this part. Oh my God, I'm struggling with my sandwich. And it's just basically the chicken sandwich.
That looks juicy.
And with the bread.
How come your chicken look juicy?
Don't be hating. Get away from my chicken, babe.
You gotta switch chickens.
And the kids, they only got a small French fry. You see Genesis eating his French fry. I can't angle it for Dory, but she got the same exact thing. And then they got the Honest Kids organic apple juice to drink. Alright guys, we are on the road now to go get the boys.
See you.
We'll see you soon.
Alright, we got the kiddos.
Hello.
What's up?
This is Philip. And that right there is Osman. Genesis right there. And y'all all know Dodo. And mommy's still stuffing her face.
I'm getting a hamburger.
Nah, chicken sandwich. All right, see you at the house.
Sometime later.
Oh, can anybody know where Dodo is? We're in the store. I don't know where's Dodo. Wait a minute. I see. Who's Dodo? There she is. Where's Ozzy? Where's Genesis? Oh no! I see shoes. There he is.
Daddy found us. And I was like, oh no, guys!
Guys, I'm looking for Dordor. Where's Dordor? We're in the toys department. So that means Dordor could be anywhere in this department. She's not there. Is it girls' department here? Look at this cool book. Wait a minute, I hear footsteps. Let's go. There she is. You seen her? Look, I found Door. I found her. Let's go catch the wild Door.